Good morning students. In our last video we started collision theory. This theory is based on kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic means movement. According to this theory, chemical reactions occur as a result of collisions between reacting molecules. That means here collision takes place between the reacting molecules. Example, take this reactant A2 is reacted with B2 to form B. So, A2 molecule and B2 molecule both are colliding with each other, means it will convert it into product. So, that only given here in first paragraph. In 2 points are given. First one, this theory based on kinetic theory. Kinetic means movement. That means gaseous molecules are moving from one place to another place. If that molecules are moving means it can collide with each other. So, collision takes place. If we consider that reactions between A2 and B2 molecules proceeds through the collisions between them, then the rate would be the proportional to the number of collisions per second. So, only one point is given here, rate is proportional to number of collisions per second. Rate of the reaction is directly proportional to number of collisions, because if more collisions takes place means more number of collision takes place means rate is also more. If less number of collision takes place means rate is also less. So, the rate of the reaction depend number of collision, and rate is directly proportional to number of molecules colliding per liter per second. Number of collision is directly proportional to concentration of both A2 and B2. That means rate is directly proportional to number of collision. Number of collision is directly proportional to concentration of A2 and B2. A2 and B2 are called as reactant. If concentration more means more number of A2 and B2 are available. If more number of A2 and B2 are moving from one place to another place means more number of collision takes place. More number of collision takes place means rate increases. If concentration of A2 and B2 decreases means less number of A2 and B2 only available. So, less number of A2 and B2 only moving from one place to another place means less number of collision only possible. So, less number of collisions possible means rate is also less. So, rate is directly proportional to number of collision. That number of collision is directly proportional to concentration of A2 and B2. So, we can tell rate is directly proportional to concentration of A2 and B2. If we cut proportional and use equal means we must add constant. Here constant is Z. Usually we are adding constant K, but here we are adding constant Z. Next one, the collision rate in gas can be calculated from kinetic theory of gas. This rate, we can calculate this rate from kinetic theory of gases. So, the collision rate can be calculated from kinetic theory of gases. At 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure, at this temperature and this pressure, each molecule undergoes 10 power 9 collisions per second. For each second, how many collisions are possible or how many collisions are made by single molecule? 10 power 9 collisions. For each molecule made 10 power 9 collisions for each second. From that we can calculate, that means one collision, for one collision It takes place in how many second? 10 power minus 9 second. 10 power minus second. So for each collision, it needs time to complete in 10 power minus 9 second only. If every collisions resulted in reaction, this reaction would be completed in 10 power minus 9 second. For each collision, it needs time 10 power minus second, means the reaction would be complete in 10 power minus second, but in actual practice, reaction would not complete in 10 power minus 9 second. In actual practice, this does not happen. So it implies that all collisions are not effective to lead the reaction. So all collisions are not effective, because if all collisions are effective means the reaction may complete in 10 power minus 9 second, but in actual practice it would not complete 10 power minus second. So all collisions are not effective. All collisions means here, if A2 and B2 both are collide with each other, means all combining of reactant will not lead into the formations of product. So all collisions are not effective. That is main point here. All collisions are not effective to lead the reaction. Why all collisions are not effective? Because one more condition is given. The colliding molecule must possess that minimum energy. That minimum energy is called as activation energy. That colliding molecule must possess minimum energy. Which are the molecules having that minimum energy? Which are the colliding molecules having that minimum energy, means that molecule only converted into product. Please listen. Colliding molecules, all colliding molecules are not converted into product. Which are the colliding molecules contains minimum energy, means that will only convert it into product. That minimum energy is called as activation energy. Colliding molecules must possess minimum energy called as activation energy. This is one of the question. What is activation energy means? Colliding molecule must possess minimum energy. That minimum energy is called as activation energy. For understanding better, for your better understanding, we can see this graph. Here reactant energy level. This is the product energy level. Reactant is converted into product. This is the minimum energy level is called as activation energy. The symbol for activation energy is EA. That colloidal molecules, example A2 plus B2. A2 react with B2. Here product is AB. If A2 and B2 both are combining, means all collisions are not leading to the product, because that colloidal molecule must possess that minimum energy. If that colloidal molecule having minimum energy, means up to this level, means it can easily pass through the peak. If this molecule does not possess that minimum energy, example, that colliding molecule possess this level energy only, means it cannot reach the peak, so it cannot convert it into product. If some of the molecules are having this much energy, means it can easily convert it into product. So which are the colloidal molecule contains minimum this amount energy, means it can easily reach this peak and convert it into product. Which are the colloidal molecule does not possess this minimum energy, means it cannot able to convert it into product. So all collisions will not lead into the product. All collisions will not lead into the product. Which are the molecules contains minimum energy, means that colliding molecules only converted into product. That point only given here. All collisions are not effective. All collisions are not effective because the colloidal molecule must possess minimum energy, that is called as activation energy. The molecules that colloid with less energy than activation energy mean it possesses less energy than activation energy mean will remain intact and no reaction occurs. If that colliding molecules does not possess that minimum energy means it won't react. That means it won't convert it into product, so it won't react. So all collisions will not lead into the product. Some of the collisions only lead into the product based on minimum energy. Which are the colliding molecule possess minimum energy means that will convert it into product. If which molecule does not possess that minimum energy means it will not convert it into product. So we can calculate that effective collisions by using this formula. So fraction of effective collisions. We can calculate that effective collision. Effective collision means what? That collision is converted into product. Ineffective collision means what? If both are colliding means, but if it is not having minimum energy means it will not convert it into product. So that is called as ineffective collision. We can calculate the effective collision by using this formula. F is equal to minus EA by RT. Here F means fraction of effective collision. That small f indicates fraction of effective collision is given by the following expression is equal to e power minus EA by RT. Here that EA is activation energy. R means gas constant. T means temperature. So F means fraction of effective collisions. F means fraction of effective collision is equal to e power minus EA by RT. EA means activation energy. R means gas constant. That is already we are learned in our 11th standard gaseous state lesson. R is a constant value. So T means temperature. To understand the magnitude of collision factor, let us calculate the collision factor F for a reaction having activation energy. One problem is given for explaining this concept, and in sometimes they will ask this problem also separately. Calculate the collision factor F for a reaction having activation energy is given and temperature is given, and they ask to calculate the collision factor F. So formula already you know, F is equal to e power minus EA by RT. That EA value is given here. EA means activation energy. Activation energy is given how much? 100 kilojoules per mole. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Like that 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. So 1000 means 10 power 3. So 100 the same value, instead of kilojoule here we are using joule, so we should multiply 1000, that is 10 power 3. So F is equal to e power minus EA value is given 100 into 10 power 3 joules per mole divided by R. R means gas constant. This value you must know, 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. This is the gas constant value. Already you have studied in your gaseous state lesson in your 11th standard. And temperature, that is also given 300 Kelvin. So EA by RT, that is temperature, is 300 Kelvin. This Kelvin and this Kelvin cancelled, and joule per mole and joule per mole, that is also cancelled. If you are simplify means you will get F is equal to e power minus 40. That e power minus 40 is approximately equal to 4 into 10 power minus 18. This value we can write 4 divided by 10 power minus 18 goes to Denominator means we can write 10 power plus 18. From this value, we can understand if totally 10 power 18 collisions takes place means out of that only 4 collisions are effective. That means 4 collisions only converted into product. So out of 10 power 18 collisions, 4 collisions only effective. That means 4 colliding molecules only possess that minimum energy. So it only will convert it into product. Remaining will not convert it into product. Remaining we will continue in our next video. Thank you.